Let's make Yudofu. This dish involves warming tofu in Dashi broth, then dipping it in soy sauce seasoned with garnishes. It's very simple, healthy, and comforting. Let's prepare ingredients. Kombu, dried kelp, ginger, soy sauce, Mirin, Katsuobushi, dried bonito flakes, tofu, green onions, Mizuna. Let's start with the kombu. Kombu, or dried kelp, is a type of seaweed commonly used in Japanese cuisine for making dashi broth. To preserve its aroma, gently wipe with surface with a kitchen paper towel rather than rinsing it. Cut the tofu into large pieces. Cut the Mizuna into bite-sized pieces. In a pot, add the kombu and water. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the dipping sauce. Finely chop the green onions. Peel and grate the ginger. Mix them in a bowl with mirin, soy sauce, grated ginger, green onions, carefully, Katsuobushi. Katsuobushi, or dried bonito flakes, is a traditional Japanese seasoning made from the shaped, dry bonito fish. It adds a concentrated umami flavor to dishes and it's commonly used in making dashi broth. If you don't eat fish, it's okay to skip this ingredient. Heat the microwave for 1 minute. Return to the pot. Turn the heat on. Once it's boiled, add the tofu and cover. When it boils again, add the Mizuna to finish. Dip the tofu in the sauce you made earlier. It's light and low in calories and is one of the traditional Japanese dishes. Enjoy!